Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make $100 per day in passive income with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and how to make $100 per day in passive income with affiliate marketing. Now, quick disclaimer here. You can make less than $100 per day, you can make way more than $100 per day. It depends on so many things, what you're promoting, what your work ethic is, how engaged your audience is, and all sorts of different things like that. But you are absolutely able to do that, it just takes some time. So first of all, you want to build a system to actually make the money, because if you don't do that, it's going to be extremely hard. Because if you're going all over the place like a lot of people are doing and just testing out so many different things, then it's going to be very hard for you to get right back into it and start being focused. So building a system is what you need to do. So first of all, you need traffic. If you don't have traffic, you don't have a business. Just like it would be if you had a business down the street and you were on the wrong street where nobody was going past. Like if you have no traffic, nobody knows about your shop and nobody is buying from you. It's exactly the same thing on the internet. If you don't know how to get some traffic, then you cannot actually make some money. So you have to work on this every day to get the traffic. That is the most important job that you have, is to actually get the traffic. So this can come from all sorts of different things. For instance, what I do is YouTube. I do YouTube traffic because people are coming to watch my videos and that's how they get to know me. Maybe you're into Facebook, maybe that's your thing, so you can do Facebook posts all the time and that's how you make money. Maybe it's blogging, maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's paid ads, and you can go all over the place. Maybe it's Snapchat, I don't care, maybe it's Twitter. There's a million different ways to get some traffic. However, you need to choose one and stick to it, because if you start doing YouTube, Facebook, blogging, Instagram, Facebook paid ads and all sorts of different things, then it's going to be extremely hard for you to stay focused, because that's how most people struggle, and including me. When I first started, I was doing a ton of different things and it just wasn't working out. So doing so many different things is not a good idea. So you really need to focus on one thing, and that's going to be your plan. Next, you need to choose a product. Now, if you don't know what to choose, you really have to have something that's in your niche. So if you don't know how to choose your product, there are a few things that you need to do. One, it has to be in your niche, because if you're not having something that's in your niche, it's going to be extremely hard to do. Second, you need to have a product that you actually know sells, because if you don't know that whether it's going to sell or not, it's going to be extremely hard for you to actually make some money off it, because if no one's managing to sell it, then you're probably not going to manage, especially if you're a beginner. Now, if you want a product like this that actually sells and know it sells, I have my number one recommendation, and that will give you a product that is extremely important if you want to know how to market online and that you can actually promote. So that is one of the best products that you can have. Now, the next thing is you need to build an email list. Again, I have this in the description, how to create a capture page or something like that. I think it's called capture page. So you can also check this one out, because that's the cheapest one that you can actually buy. Now, why do you need to have an email list? An email list is extremely important like as soon as you start, and that's one of the mistakes I did. I waited so long before I actually started to do that, and I missed out on a ton of sales. So even if you're just starting out, I highly suggest that you build an email list. Yes, you might lose money at the beginning, but then you'll make your money back like very quick. And the one I have in the description, by the way, is the cheapest option, so that's the way to do it. So why do you need an email list? An email list is extremely important because if you just post an affiliate link in the description, you might get a sale. You might get like $50, $100, I don't know what your product is, but you will make that sale, you're happy, and that's it. But then you don't have the email list of that person. The company that created the product actually does have their email because they signed up. And that is how you actually make the real money, because people, first of all, they might not sign up the first time, so you can send them emails over and over again to promote your product and tell them why it's good. And you can actually promote a second product to them if they actually did buy from you. So if they bought from you, then you can promote a second product and just make some more money, because a customer that comes back is your best customer. If they already bought from you, they probably will buy from you a second time. So if you don't have their email, it's going to be extremely hard. The other thing that you can do with an email list is, no matter if you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or whatever you do have, as soon as you post a video, some more content on your blog, on your Instagram or whatever, you can send them an email to tell them, I have a new video, check it out. What that's going to do is it's going to get everyone that you have on your email list to watch your videos, and then, well, at least a certain part of them, some people will not care, but some of them will watch your video as soon as it comes out. And what's that going to do is it's going to boost your videos, for example, or your blog or whatever. Everything works like that, whether it's Instagram or anything. As soon as you have a ton of people that end up on there, that sends a message to YouTube or Instagram or Google that this content is really good and they need to spread it out more. And then you'll be able to have some more people come onto your email list. So that is a great way to grow your business over and over again. And like I say all the time, having an email list is the lifeblood of your business, and that is really what I mean. Like, if you don't have an email list, it's like you don't have traffic, you don't have a business. So that was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I put a video out. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.